Brought to you in part by Susan Shute at Exclusive Realtors, servicing South Chicagoland, Northwest Suburbs, Kankakee, and Will County. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. I have some results from switching out these wheels. I did have, I cut 11.2 pounds per corner off of the truck, and I have some results as far as 0 to 60 and quarter mile difference, which was surprising that there's quite a bit, I guess, gain there. So we can just go over that real quick here. So here you see that the 0 to 10 actually on the other one is quicker until you get to 0 to 30, and they're like dead even. And then the lighter wheel setup starts to pick up from 0 to 40, 0 to 50, and 0 to 60. And that's where your gain is from right there. And as you can see at the top, the weather conditions are pretty much identical. Now the meters on the truck do match the rollout 60-foot time, which matches the 6.7 on the truck. So maybe that's what the truck does, and that's how it calculates it, and that's why it might be a little bit off. Now, unfortunately, this isn't the exact same quarter mile run, but there's a difference there. I think it would have been better than a 15:39 had I been able to run a whole quarter mile on that other 0 to 60. But what you can see here is the mile per hour is a little bit higher on the lighter wheel setup. So for anybody skeptical of the Dragy, we have the performance pages right here. Now I say the performance pages are saying, you know, it's faster than it is. So we'll hold the button here. All right, and this will go by best would be in that upper corner for a 60 foot. Best of 330, 6.0, 9.5, quarter mile 15.0 is what it's calling its best run, which was today. So we can get out of this. Zero to 60, 6.7 today. So it used to be, according to this, 7.1. So the difference between the Dragy and this is a few tenths, but that's what this says. So if you want to compare it to, you know, your own truck with these same pages here. So there you have it. That's the results of putting some lighter wheels on. I shouldn't say the wheels are lighter, but having the offset without needing those heavier wheel spacers had to have made some kind of difference, because everything is exactly the same except for the wheel change. So I've been trying to do everything exactly the same fuel, same level, all that stuff. So, and I would say that was significant as far as a change. And you could tell the overall feel, it just, over bumps and stuff like that, it seems to be a little softer. So I'm happy with that. But yeah, so I mean, that's all I have on this part of it, but I just thought I'd put that out there, and please like and subscribe. There's more to come as usual, and we'll catch you on the next one.